Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Clash Royale cards grayed out. So it is very easy. What you are going to do is you go to your application and long press on it. Then as you can see you will find this little button for the app info. You just click there and it will open the settings. You are going to scroll down and you go to storage. Then you will find cache. You can clear it. You just click clear cache. And then what you are going to do is just restart your phone and go and open your application and see. If the problem is solved, that's it. If it is not solved, so what you are going to do is you go and open your browser. And then in the search bar, you are going to type Supercell support. You are going to find this official website, the first one. And as you can see, there is the button contact us. You just click there. Here you connect to your account, you just enter your ID and etc. And then you just create a ticket and talk to them to solve your problem, or you can just simply contact them through the application, no need for the browser. And that's it. You just make sure to follow the steps that they will provide for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.